I'm feeling very anxious, I'm having anxiety, या मुझे घबराहट हो रही है. We've often heard or felt these sort of things. But क्या है ये घबराहट? So in this video, we'll talk about what is anxiety and how to deal with it. Anxiety is basically a feeling of worry or fear about situation or situations that may or may not happen in the future. Now it is very important to note this word may, क्योंकि ये जरूरी नहीं कि जिस चीज को लेकर आप इतना एंग्शियस फील कर रहे हैं या जिस चीज को लेकर आप इतना सोच रहे हैं वो वैसे ही हो. Some common symptoms for general anxiety include emotional distress, fatigue, sweating, difficulty falling asleep, headache, nausea, palpitations, excessive worry, or repeatedly going over thoughts. And our thoughts play a very significant role in causing anxiety. अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे, if you carefully look back, then there might be so many situations where you felt anxious, but the thing turned out to be just fine. Maybe you felt really anxious for some examination where you thought you would fail miserably, but the result was just fine. Or maybe you had a lot of anxiety before you had to start speaking in front of people, but it went well. या आप अपनी हेल्थ को लेके बहुत एंग्शियस फील कर रहे थे, बट आपकी रिपोर्ट बिल्कुल परफेक्ट आई. लाइक दिस, देयर कैन बी मेनी इंस्टेंसेस where anxiety was just a product of our overthinking. And even though anxiety may seem like a big word, I want to tell you, it is okay to feel anxious. Now there can be different ways for dealing with anxiety for different people. Personally, I too have suffered with anxiety issues for a very long time, and these are a few ways that helped me overcome it. So the first is a breathing technique. So this technique is called the 4-7-8 technique. In this technique, you have to inhale for 4 seconds through your nose, hold for 7 seconds, and then exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. So I'll show you how this exercise is done once. So first is close your eyes, inhale through the nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, then exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this exercise for 10 to 12 minutes. And by doing this exercise for 10 to 12 minutes, really calms my nervous system and helps me relax. The second thing that helps me immediately is listening to calming music. Now there are many videos on YouTube, or if you don't want ad interruptions, then there are live videos with healing music in them. It can be a simple piano sound or some natural sound. And studies suggest there are so many benefits of music in dealing with anxiety. The third thing that helps me cope with anxiety is exercising. Whenever I feel very anxious, I try to indulge in some sort of physical exercise. It can be either a walk or a short run. And like we've talked before, exercises release endomorphins in our brain which help us deal with anxiety. And the fourth thing that helps me deal with anxiety is talking to someone. Sometimes our thoughts can be too extreme. हम बहुत गहराई में चीज़ों को सोचते हैं. And when we talk to someone, it can really uplift our spirit, lighten our mood, and help us deal with the situation at hand. It also gives us a different perspective to the situation that we are dealing with. These 4 things personally help me deal with anxiety instantly. But if you try these things and they are not working for you, or if your anxiety is persistent or recurring, बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, then please consult a medical professional. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.